Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture is you will know and identify an overview of ATM project. So before initiating the project, you need to understand how the flow will move from one stage to another stage. So I have prepared a very simple flow diagram for you. Let's see here. So the workflow, when we are going to deciding how we need to prepare a simple statement and a flow chart for us for a real world project would be like explain you. So the first we are going to be initiating like a start of execution of a project. Then we will take like insert a card, ATM card. We are going to inserting like either credit card or debit card. So is card validation. So the card is validation, means we are entering the PIN number of the card. So if it is true, we are making a decision into true section. If a false, we are making into like a no section for the decision, and end we are terminating, means it will be again it will ask you the password to enter there itself. While it is like keep on entering the passwords, we are going to be handle such a scenario. And moreover, we are asking like a 3 or 4 times only to enter the password. Otherwise, it will be terminate the program. Like we are saying a simple message also. Once you put the message and we are going to rerun the project again, it should be run. Why? Because it's a console app. So if yes, the card is inserted PIN code is card, choose an action. It will give you a menu. So what it will ask you? Withdraw money or choosing the amount of the money it will be requires if the chosen by withdraw money. If account balance is the choosing like a show the account balance, and it will ask you to action like any other action. This way we can prepare all the menu items one by one. So we have added more menu items in real time. I'll show you very examply and all. And the want to exit or cancel the transaction, he may press like exit or cancel. To exit like end. So if the user is asking to choosing a menu option of like amount or any like withdraw option, it will ask you like what is the amount you need to withdraw. If exceeding the amount, it will ask you insufficient fund. If the money is a sufficient fund, it will give the like release the money, and it will ask you again choose another action you want to continue. So how simple to create a real world project with the logic we are implementing here. It's nothing but like a clear life cycle of a project. So we are going to be discussing to entering into the real world project to how we are going to be cracking. Anyhow, we are going to sharing this solution to you to crack yourself also. So we'll try to enter into the source code. I'll catch you in real world project with the source code explanation very soon. Thank you.